Please check to see that your ViewMaster interactive vision system is on. If not, slide the green switch to the on position. If it is already on, let the tape play and enjoy the show.
Hi, and welcome to a whole new world on Sesame Street.
Hey, what is going on here? This is supposed to be my video. Who put these happy faces up there? Hey, be a pal and help me get rid of these things. Just wiggle the joystick and you'll see the screen start to clear up. Yeah, there you go. Wipe away those miserable rainbows. That's right. Get rid of the sunshine. This is a grouch video. Yeah. Get rid of them. Do it. Get rid of those faces. All of that happy stuff. Come on, do it. Good going. You're helping me get rid of all those yucky rainbows and smiles. Keep doing it. Get rid of everything. Wiggle the joystick. Oh, good. You helped me get rid of them. Funny how a little sunshine can wreck a perfectly grouchy day.
When you see the feather, press the blue button to tickle Grover. Press the red button when it's time to stop.
Chris, see this sign here?
Yes.
This sign says...
Stop.
Stop. And that means...
Stop.
You stop.
Okay.
And I have a game called the Tickle Stop Game.
Okay.
And whenever I raise this sign, you stop tickling me.
Okay.
Okay? On 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go! Oh. And you say it too. Stop.
Stop.
Okay, here we go. Stop.
Stop.
You can use both hands to tickle me, you know.
All right.
Tickle. Stop.
Stop.
Tickle. Stop.
Stop.
Tickle away. You may have noticed I enjoy tickling. I am never going to stop.
Well, lucky you. This is your big day, 'cause you're gonna have a chance to go to a grouch party. But before we start here, Fluffy, my elephant, wants me to ask you something. See, she wants to know which of these letters you like best. So just press the white button until the white box is on your favorite letter. You'll see later why Fluffy wants you to do this. But I can tell you this much. Fluffy loves to bellow through her trunk when she's happy. So press that white button now to pick a letter. There's nothing Fluffy would like better than to bellow at you. You'll see what I mean later on. What a crummy letter. Really rotten. Nice going. Now I know what kind of letter you like. Oh, that's the fish cellar with the party decorations. I gotta take care of this. So while I'm gone, you just push the green button when you see your letter. You remember the one it was, don't you? If you push the green button when you see your letter, you'll get a special cheer from Fluffy.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Way to go! You got that lousy letter for Fluffy. Now let me tell you about the party. I'm having a party for all the grouches I know. You want to come? You do? Well, I'm not sure I want you to. You gotta show me you're grouchy enough. I'll be able to tell by the way you answer my questions. If you're a true grouch, you'll get an invitation to my party. Now, if you're not a grouch, you'll get an invitation to Bob's party if that's your idea of a good time. I'll be back in a second with your first question.
Oh, hi. I was just out doing a little shopping for my party. Some balloons, some ice cream. You know, I sure hope you'll be coming to my party. It's going to be a lot of fun. Oh, by the way, I hear that Oscar's throwing a party of his own at the same time. Has he been talking to you about his grouch party? He has. Well, you know, it's totally up to you which party you want to go to, but I think you should keep in mind that grouches like to serve sauerkraut sundaes at their parties. Me? I prefer ice cream. Hey, I better get this up in the freezer before it melts. I sure hope you like vanilla.
And now, for the test of your grouchiness. You're gonna make a word, and then we'll see if it's a grouch word. See those letters? Okay, push the white button till the white box is on the one you want for the first letter in your word. Let's see what we got here. 2 letters, a B and an R. 2 really rotten letters. But even rotten letters can sometimes spell some wonderful grouch words. So go ahead, pick out one of those letters. You see what I mean. Hurry it up, 'cause time is up. B, a truly rotten letter. Now I think you'll have to pick your second letter. Remember, push the white button to move the white box to the letter you want. Looks like you got a choice between the letter A or the letter U. Which one's gonna be? Now just press the white button there. A is the first letter of the alphabet, if that matters. Same thing every time. It is always the first letter. That's one of the things I really hate about the letter A. But I hate the letter U too, so pick the one you want. No more time. A. Another terrible letter. Okay, one more letter and you'll have a word. Will it be a grouch word? We'll see. Push the white button until the white box hits the letter you want, and then we'll find out. Okay, you got a choice here between the letter G and the letter T. This is the big one. This is the letter that's going to finish up the word here. Okay, then we'll see if you made a grouch word. Well, I sure hope so. Go ahead, take your pick, and then I'll tell you what kind of word you made. G. We got a word! It's, oh, Fluffy. What's that word up there? A great grouch word. Okay, now I know what kind of word you can make. That gives me an idea of how grouchy you are. But there is a little more I'd like to know about you. For instance, do you mind? Can't you see I'm trying to talk to someone here?
Oh, who, Oscar? Oh, hi. Oh, Oscar, that's just who I wanted to talk to.
Isn't that nice?
Hmm.
Buzz off!
No. Just hold it a minute, Oscar. Listen, I just wanted to make sure that you'd be coming to my party.
Hey, beat it, will ya? I want you at my party. I got a feeling you're gonna turn out to be pretty grouchy.
Now, why would you want to go to Oscar's party? Just think of all those sauerkraut sundaes. Yuck.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? Well, we grouches know how to have fun, you know.
Oh.
Have you ever tried slime ball tossing?
Well, listen, I guess it's up to you, but I've got to run. I've still got some work to do. I've got to clean the place up and take a shower.
Yeah, me too.
You're gonna clean up and take a shower, Oscar?
Not exactly. I'm gonna mess up the place and then take a mud bath.
A mud bath? I'll see you at my party, all right?
You just don't get it, do you, Bob?
Press the green button when the octopus says 8.
Well, an octopus life isn't easy. I want to tell you why. Too many arms to wave hello with, too many to wave goodbye. Oh, no. I just don't know which arms to use. Yeah. I've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blues. I took a fish on a date to the movies. She said, honey, put your arms around me tight. I said, by the time I get all my arms around you, you're gonna be sometime next Wednesday night. Oh, no. Life is full of tough news, yeah. I've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blues. Okay, everybody, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, no. You should see me try to tie my shoes. I've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blues. Yeah. I've got trouble with my girlfriend, among other things. She's an octopus and she says to me, honey, buy me 8 diamond rings. Oh, no. Life is full of tough news, yeah. I've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blues. I said the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blues. The octopus blues. Yeah.
All right. Now I want to see what kind of music you like. Do you like grouch songs or yucky sweet songs? Big Bird's got a song he's gonna sing. You can guess how yucky and nice it is. Do you want to hear it the nice way or the grouch way? It's your move. If you want to hear the bird sing, then push the red button. If you want to hear it the grouch way, push the blue button. But you know, if you get sick of what you're hearing, you can just change it right in the middle of the song. Just push another button. So go ahead and press away. Okay, you chose it. I don't care whether you like it or not. Here goes.
May I be your friend and sit next to you? Go where you're going and do what you do. May I share your toys? May I play your games? Meet all your old friends and learn all their names. Everybody needs a steady friend, and I'd like you for mine.
Why, I can see already, friend, that we'll get along just fine.
May I be the one on whom you depend?
We two together through to the end.
Shoulder to shoulder as we grow older.
Let me be.
I'd like to be
You can stop tapping your toe now. Now I know the kind of music you like. I'll write it down on my score pad here. Now, you still remember the letter you picked for Fluffy? Well, if you push the green button when you see that letter, you'll get to hear Fluffy trumpet. What a treat! Get ready to press that green button.
A.
B.
C. D. E.
F.
G. H. I. J. K. L. M.
N.
O. P. Q. R. S. T.
U. V.
W. X. Y. Z.
Way to go! You got that lousy letter for Fluffy.
Press the green button when you hear the word frog.
You know, there are all kinds of creatures in the world, and they're all good in different ways. And a frog is a proud one to be.
Yes, Mr. Plummet.
Now, just so you don't forget, here is an old frog folk song from Scotland
Oh,
that I learned when I was about as small as you are now.
wow.
And it goes like this. The nightingale sings such a beautiful tune. You can listen all night by the light of the moon. Now my song's not as pretty, but I'll say it again. I am proud to be one of the frogs in the glen. The butterfly is such a colorful thing, with an orange and yellow and black on its wing. Now I'm only green, but I'll say it again. I am proud to be one of the frogs in the glen. The deer can jump higher, the fish can swim faster than ever a froggy swam. But a deer can't dive deep, and a fish can't re-beep. So I'm proud to be what I am. Be proud of your flippers and the flies you can catch, and the logs that you leap and the eggs you will hatch. We're under the stars and we're smaller than men, but I'm proud to be one of the frogs in the glen. Now sing it with me, and we'll say it again. I am proud to be one of the frogs in the glen. Very good, kid. Always be proud of what you are, a frog.
Okay, Mr. Kermit.
I've blown up about 10 of these already, and I'm almost out of breath. But I think they're going to look great when I get them all hung up. Just a couple more, and I'll be all finished. And just in time, because the guests will be getting here any minute. Are you coming? Or are you still thinking of going to Oscar's party? It's up to you. But remember, while I'm blowing up balloons, Oscar's hanging fish on the walls. Don't ask me why. I guess that's a Grouch's idea of party decorations. Although, come to think of it, hanging fish is probably a lot easier than this.
All right, step right up to the Grouch Twoplex, where we have 2 animal movies playing. I'll know how grouchy you are from the one you pick. Now press the white button to move the white box to the movie you want. The first one, it pains me to tell you, is sweet and lovely. It's about butterflies. But the other one is full of mud and oinks. It's a pig movie. I love it. So go ahead, pick the movie you want to see. I got your seat waiting here. Oh, there's even some old bubble gum stuck on the bottom of the seat. Lucky for you. Okay, let's watch that movie.
Butterfly.
You want my review of that butterfly movie? I give it the lowest rating. 4 yucks. Yuck, 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 yuck. Press the white button to make your arrow match the one on the sign.
Hi.
Hi.
Maya,
What?
what is that over here?
The arrow.
A what?
Arrow.
An arrow? Oh, you know what? I always wanted to follow an arrow. Could you tell me how to follow an arrow?
Yeah.
Which way?
This way.
This way? Oh, okay. I go this way.
That way.
That way? But the arrow's pointing the other way.
No, that way.
Okay, it's pointing that way. I'll go that way.
This way.
That way? Which way now?
That way.
You sure it's that way? Okay. Which way? That way. Which way? That way. Which way is it pointing? Oh, hurry, tell me. Which way? Which way? Which way? Which way? Which way? Which way?
That way.
Which way? Which way?
That way.
Oh.
What happened, Arrow?
All right, no more Mr. Hearts and Flowers. Now it's gonna get tough. It's time for the party quiz. I want to find out if you're a real get-down party grouch. So here we go. What kind of game do you like to play at a party? Push the white button to move the white box to the party game that you like best. Do you like musical chairs? Or do you like slime ball tossing? There's no choice here to me, but you never know. Some people have very strange taste. Is the box on the one you like? Good. So, you like musical chairs. To me, a party's not a party without a few slime balls. Now, when you go to a party, how do you like to see the room decorated? Just push the white button until the white box is over the party room you like best. If you think it should be decorated with balloons and streamers, pick this one. If you, like me, think the room would look a lot better with fish hung on the walls, pick this one. You ready? 'Cause time's up. You like balloons? Ugh, I think fish add just the right festive touch. Now, Everybody knows you can't have a party without music. But what kind of music would be right? Just push the white button until the white box is over your kind of music. If you like to play records at a party, pick this one. And if you think that music should come from elephants blowing through their trunks, pick this one. Ready? Okay. Well, call me old-fashioned, but I like the sound of an elephant bellow at a party. But I see you do not. Presents are always fun at parties. What kind of presents would you like to get? Push the white button until the white box is around the present you'd like to get. This one is a box with a nice present inside. This one is a box full of mud. Which one would you like to get at a party? I know which one I'd give to Grungetta.
So you picked a pretty box, huh? Not like me.
I always feel, with a box of mud, you know exactly what you're getting. All right, now, the moment of truth. I'm going to add up your score for the day and see how you did. It'll take me a few minutes to do this. Meanwhile, you can watch this. Let's see. How many points was it for the movie quiz?
Press the green button to make the frog jump onto the lily pads.
I know a tropical island with a mango moon and banana sunshine. And on this tropical island there lives a cousin of mine. Sometimes he lives in the water, sometimes he lives on the land. Sometimes he likes to go sun himself on soft Caribbean sand. He's a Caribbean amphibian. He likes to hop in the tropical sea. Caribbean amphibian, a frog in the coconut tree. The flying fish and the turtles, they've seen him hop where the pineapples grow. He likes to see all the islands, so island hopping he goes. Sometimes he hops to Jamaica, sometimes to Haiti he hops. Sometimes a warm Puerto Rico beach is where he finally stops. He's a Caribbean amphibian. He likes to hop in the tropical sea. Caribbean amphibian, a frog in the coconut tree. Sometimes he lives in the water, sometimes he lives on the land. Sometimes he likes to play music with an all-amphibian band. He's a Caribbean amphibian. He likes to hop in the tropical sea. Caribbean amphibian, a frog in the coconut tree. Everybody! Caribbean amphibian. He likes to hop in the tropical sea. Caribbean amphibian, a frog in the coconut tree. A frog in a coconut tree.
All right. Let's see what we got here. I'm looking at the answers you picked. You liked the pig movie. And let's see, you wanted to play musical chairs. But there were lots of other answers, too. I'm almost finished here. Okay. I got it worked out. I know what party you're going to be invited to. Would you like to know? You would? I knew you would. Well, I might just not tell you. Nah, just kidding. The party you get to go to is the Grouch Party. You are a real grouch. Come on in. You're just the kind of grouch we want at our party. And hey, don't wipe your feet. We want that mud on the floor.